Hey everyone, today we're going to be graphing a linear equation using the intercept method. So let's just go ahead and get an equation up here, and we have y equals 1/2 x plus 3. And we're going to do this by solving each of our x and our y-intercept, putting those on the graph, and connecting the dots. So let's go ahead and get that x-intercept first. Our x-intercept is when y is equal to 0, and we have 0 equals 1/2 x plus 3. We want to get this x all by itself, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. -3 is equal to 1/2 x. We need to get rid of this 1/2 in front of the x now, and we'll do this by multiplying both sides by 2. We'll multiply this side by 2, and we'll multiply this side by 2. We end up with -6 equals x, and we're going to go ahead and throw that up on our graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we get a little dot. Now some of you might be clever little cupcakes and know your y-intercept right away because it's that b value, but we can go ahead and prove that by saying that the y-intercept is when x equals 0, and we'll end up with y equals 1/2 times 0 plus 3, and we get y equals 3. And we'll go ahead and put that up as well. Once we have our two dots, if you're using the intercept method, you get your x-intercept and your y-intercept, we can just go ahead and connect those dots. Ta-da! Line complete. Why don't we try one more here? We'll just get another one, and this time we are going to graph 5x plus 4y equals 10. Now here's the little problem. Sometimes using the slope-intercept method is easy as long as it's written as y equals mx plus b, but now it's not. So let's do the intercept method again. At the x-intercept, our y equals 0. So we have 5x plus 4 times 0 equals 10. 5x equals 10. We want to get this x all by itself, so we divide by 5, and x equals 2. Let's go ahead and get the y-intercept right after we put this little x dot on our graph, x equals 2. Our y-intercept, now that it's not written in y equals mx plus b form, we're going to have to once again fill in x equals 0. We get 5 times 0 plus 4y equals 10. 4y equals 10. To get this y all by itself, we divide by 4, and our y equals 2.5. Haha, we got a decimal. But that's no problem, because we can just go onto our y-axis and put our little dot here at 2.5. Once we've done that, we have our two dots, our x-intercept and our y-intercept, and once again, we can just connect the two dots, and we have our line. And that's how you can graph a linear equation using the intercept method.